A couple of months back, McLaren Automotive CEO Mike Follitt gave some understanding on the future lineup at the English carmaker. He disclosed to Autocar we could expect the up-and-coming age of sports cars to include half-and-half powertrains and some measure of self-driving capacity. In remarks this end of the week at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, Follitt seems to develop and clear up a couple of perspectives from the prior report, in light of updates to the organization's marketable strategy. In the first place, rather than the prior report that the Super Series and Sports Series would go all by half-breed by 2022, that won't really be finished until 2025. Similarly as with the universal 3.8-liter V8, a solitary half-and-half powertrain will come in various yields in various models. Follitt wouldn't affirm whether the half-and-half would be based around a V6. He said, nonetheless, that the framework is outlined to have more separation than we have had out of the present bundle, and execution assortment would originate from tweaking the electric bit of the power plant, not the ICE. He didn't develop that point, yet that could mean a more extensive scope of driving attributes inside every arrangement, or a more prominent power spread between arrangement, or both. The car makers dealing with batteries that can complete 30 minutes of track utilize, recommending a powerful pack with a high level of tunability. The 2025 due date for hybridization could be expected to roll out of 18 new models and subsidiaries. At the present time, McLaren makes 6 autos, 5 in the passage-level Sports Series, the solitary 720S in the Super Series. We don't tally the Senna since it's sold out. Notwithstanding updating the whole lineup, and checking the PP23 and the P1 successor in 2025, that still leaves 10 new and branch models in the following 7 years. Whatever they are, they'll enable McLaren to achieve its expanded focus of 6,000 deals every year by 2025. Follitt likewise took the risk to swap self-governance for increase when talking about future driver help innovation. In the Autocar report, the CEO said the lineup would require self-ruling highlights composed in for security, enactment, and emanations. At Goodwood, he recast the driver helps as growth innovation, the attention on helping the driver be better in the driver's seat as opposed to taking the wheel for him. Envision, said COO Jens Ludman, having a virtual mentor who could demonstrate to you proper methodologies to enhance a track,